How to create a vector mask in Photoshop, PC or Mac. Open any image, go to the tools and go over to the curvature pen tool. With that selected, go up to the top left and there's an option here, shape and path. Select the path option. Also go over here and you can see you've got combine shapes as well as subtract, etc. Go with combine shapes. And then simply go to the document and click and create a quick path. You can create multiple paths as well, or multiple sub paths. And then just go around there, just close them. Makes them, just as you hover there, you'll see a little dot appear. So you've got that design now. Once you've done that, simply just go to Layer and down to Vector Mask and Current Path. And you can see what happens. You've got your image now masked with that vector design. And you can modify that design. So simply hover over there, you can add. Also, you can go to Direct Selection tool. Just select that. You can see if you do that, you can see all the points and you can modify them individually. So if you want to move that one, simply just drag and you can create a slightly different mask than before. Also, you can use the curvature pen tool and maybe add additional points, just simply along the line and just move that back and forth. Create all kinds of designs. Properties, and you've got feather. So select over here, masks. You've got mask there, you've got that option there, which is the pixel layer, but go over to mask there, and you can see vector mask, and you can say feather. And you can just get a nice blurry effect. Very quick and easy. Also, you can still continue to modify the mask if you wish. If you want to, you can remove it. Simply just go to layer and vector mask and delete. You can also disable it as well as unlink the mask. Just remove that and you can see now your design. And of course, you can also modify the design itself. So you can always still go to filters, maybe go to blur, Gaussian blur, and apply blurring effects to the design like that, or any of the other filter effects as well. If you want to add a colourful background to your image, simply go over to a layer menu and go to new layer, click OK. Now, of course, the layer is generated above. What you can do, simply drag below. Go over to edit and fill it with white. At this point, you can see obviously you've got a white background. What you can do, you can double click and then go over here to color overlay and maybe set it to blue, green, etc. Hope you found this of interest. Always add new tutorials all the time. A dislike or like, always appreciated. Any comments, please put them below. Thank you much.